So now in this lecture we will see the concept of the developer portal. What is developer portal, or how we will use this developer portal. So first thing, developer portal, that is a automatically generated and fully customizable website with the documentation of your APIs. It is where API customers can discover your API, learn how to use them, and request access like this. Or this is a platform where you can commercialize your API. So we will look how developer portal looks like. So simply click on this and it will take some time to open your API management, Azure portal, developer portal. So this developer portal, this is access and managed version of the developer portal. So in this, where you can navigate your API management instance, or uh, this automatically created UI. So it is generating, like says, hold on tight, we are getting your website ready. They are creating our website in just a minute. So we can wait. So now you can see this is our website, that Contoso. This is fully customizable, where you can edit your website. You can put your name, your company's name, like that. I created my company name XYZ.com, like that. So this is fully customizable. Uh, different thing like content, uh, visual editor, and pages like this. So we will see uh, our our APIs that I added, demo conference and eco API, is visible or not. So I will open this link on in my private window. What is it? This is a homepage of the developer portal, uh, and the website for publishing for consumer can discover, learn how to use them, try them out. This is saying that the my API is not published yet. So go to this arrow operations and click here publish website. When you click this publish website, after that any user or any another client that they can use our API that I used here, demo conference API and eco API. So we will look the client portal or developer portal. So it will take some time because it's opening first time. So look this is the developer portal, and I use like the guest. I didn't sign up or sign in with my credential. Basically I am here to explore this website. My API is that I uses here, it is visible or not, or can we use our API through developer portal as a guest. So we will look out the APIs that we are using, like demo conference API and eco API. That eco API is actually a API that created by Azure for testing purpose, and that demo conference API that I added earlier in previous video. So you can see that this eco API visible, but our API, that is a conference API, demo conference API, is not visible. Why? So because of that, because we didn't add our API in products. So this is a product section. You can see this is a product section, and there is a starter or unlimited that I discussed earlier. And here only one API, that is a eco API, is visible, and the our API, that is a conference API, is not visible there. So what we have to do? So next, we have to do to create and publish a product. So now go to this products. So click on these products, and you can see that there is two product, starter or unlimited. Okay, so I will going to add products, add one product, and I will say add conference. My I will put product name that will conference. Description I will not going to put any description, so I will just put NA. And this is a display name that I want or you want it to be shown in the developer portal. And this is a state and require subscription state. If you want to publish the product before the API in a product can be called, the product must be published. So by default new products are unpublished and are visible only to the administrator group. So next one is a require subscription. So I'm selecting this published, and this requires subscription. Selects means selects if a user is required to subscribe to use the product, and subscription key must be used to access the product API. If a subscription is not required, a subscription key is not required to access the product API. So next requires approval, means if you select this, then if you want an administrator to review and accept or reject subscription request or subscription attempt to this product. If not selected, subscription key not approved or auto approved, no, like this. So I deselect this. And next one is legal terms, like you can define your legal things. Subscription count limit, that optionally limit the count of multiple simultaneously subscription. And in this API section, select one or more API. Like you can see these two APIs. So you can also add API after creating the product. For more for this product I am using demo conference API here, and simply click on this create button. So you can see that this is my conference product, and access control is only for administrator, not for developer or guest. So what is these administrator, developers and guest? So administrator, that you are the administrator that is design this or create this API services and create this product. And developer means your client or users that comes with their credential, like when you create when you put your credential from your sign up. This is your developers. And the guest who only comes to visit or visit your website to saw the documentation without logged in or without any credential. So these are the thing that is the administrator, developer and guest. But here we can see that our conference API is only access control only for administrator, means only administrator can say that see that conference product. So go to this conference, and click on this access control from this left side, and click on this add group administrator. Here seeing that showing that administrator name, administrator display name, administrator, means only administrator can see this product. So click on this add group, and uh, you can choose this developer or guest. So I am selecting both developer and guest, and select this. So now uh, you can see that your product that is a conference is published, and it access control is both developers and guests both can use this. So now we will see that our product is working or showing or not. So simply refresh this page and next click on this create button, sorry, product button, and now you can see that this is my product conference. So click on this conference and demo conference API, that API that we are using in Azure Portal. This demo conference API, this is the demo conference API that is showing in this developer portal. As a guest, I didn't sign up or sign in. I only here to saw this documentation or see this API. So click on this demo conference API, and you can see that there are these are the methods that I use in my API, and these are the request parameter, like, and click on any method, HTTP method, like I will click on this get topics and try it and simply send it. So what he is saying that since the browser initiate the request, it requires cross origin resource sharing enabled on the server. Means it is saying that we doesn't enable the course, that it means different port or from the different location, uh, browser can't access this API. For that, go back on this and click on this portal overview, and from here click on this enable course sharing mechanism that allow resource on the web page to be requested from another domain. So I am going to enable this course for my API and publish. You can publish or you can leave it. So actually it already published, so I enable the course. Now go back to this and refresh this and click on get topics and try it. So now send. So now another HTTP request, that is a 401 unauthorized, means it is saying that access denied due to missing subscription key. Make sure to include subscription key when making request to an API. So for key you have to subscribe this API, but I am using this as a testing purpose. First thing that from go back or going product, I didn't subscribe. So first of all, I have to subscribe, and when I subscribe, I get two keys. That is a primary and secondary keys. So now I just simply place a key from my portal or from my Azure API. In another video, we will see how to take subscription and how to use the subscription key. So this is my conference product, and go to the subscription and click on this three dot show and hide key, and you can use any of these keys from primary key or secondary key. So I will click copy this key, and just before uses of the HTTP method, I have to put these keys. So click on get topics, try it, and put key that I copied. So just put it and send. So now you can see that this is the API HTTP response 200 OK and These are our output. So that's all from this. Now in another video we will see how to take subscription, and next we will show how to publish our Visual Studio Function app or API in Developer Portal or Azure API Management Services. So thank you.